Hi guys. Today we're gonna put the trunk of my ET5 to the test. We are going to buy a pretty large table far down in Belgium. And on the way there, we're gonna visit a little bit of Belgium inside of the Netherlands. It's something that I noticed in the map the other day and I have to see it for myself. Come along.
Now be a failure if I don't. That's when you say, hey, my love, we're nowhere near the end. There'll come a day, I swear you ain't seen nothing yet. So I went down to the water.
So although we are in the Netherlands, this village of Baarle-Hertog, or Hertog, I don't know, sits within the Netherlands but belongs to Belgium. I need to learn a little bit more about it. Let's go explore it before we test the trunk of the car.
Like every door I see is shut, but when we're sinking to our deepest lows, we've got nowhere to go but up. That's when you say, hey, my love, we're nowhere near the end.
Good question. Who do you pay your real estate tax if your house is split between two countries?
Where you ain't seen nothing yet. So I went down to the water.
These sort of enclaves happened because of some medieval treaties between farmers, where they agreed between countries to dedicate parts of the country, parts of the city, or parts of the terrain for agriculture. And this city was preserved like that for hundreds of years, and it became really interesting during the pandemic, for example, or during the Second World War, where you had the border create a sort of an island for Belgium. But it's a pretty cute city.
I went down to the water and found my faith. Bowed my head for the blessings that come my way. There'll come a day.
So this block on my right is a Dutch block inside the Belgium enclave, inside Netherlands. This is messed up.
That's when you say, I swear you ain't seen nothing yet.
So that was a good history lesson, and I found out that there's a lot of other enclaves around the world that I should research. All right, back to the road. All right, let's see if the trunk is big enough to fit this massive table.
When I was young, I had it all planned out, that something big was down the road.
I cannot believe I was able to fit this 1 meter and 80 centimeters table inside the ET5. It's just pretty incredible.
My love, we're nowhere near the end. There'll come a day.
And it fits just about.
I swear you ain't seen nothing yet.
Of course, the truth is we had to unpack the table, otherwise the padding around the base would not work. But hey, it fit. We're ready to go back.
I swear you ain't seen nothing yet. This life is heavy with an overload. Like every door I see is shut.
Can you believe that this fit into the trunk of the ET5? We needed this table for the Christmas dinner. We don't have enough space for everybody, so honestly I was not expecting the table to fit in the trunk, but gladly it did when we took it out of the package. I have a few more videos lined up, so please subscribe and I'll see you in my next video.
So I went down to the water and found my faith, because I don't wanna be stuck in the good.